Welcome to Lee Forest Library, where today I'm going to show you our traditional tales collection. Traditional tales are also known as fairy tales, and in our library we have a very large collection. We have collections of traditional tales like the Grimm's Fairy Tales collection and the Hans Christian Andersen's collection, but we also have other collections too. We have many favourite stories in our traditional tales collection. For example, the Three Billy Goats Gruff, Cinderella, the Magic Porridge Pot, and many more too. When children visit the library for their library session, we often get our costumes out and the children dress up as characters from traditional tales and really engage with the story. Traditional tales is a very popular area of our stock, and children love exploring the many stories that they've heard from home and in school. Like picture books, you are never too old to enjoy a traditional tale.